We go to banana leaf for the nap. Happy home after.
That's very good, honey. You're singing a very nice song. Now, you want to take a picture?
Yes.
We're sitting a little too close together. Let me back up. Wait. What are you doing? You're being silly. You're being silly. Oh, there you are. Hello, Twit. There's Mattia. Well, you're just looking at yourself. You gotta say something. Here's me. Hello, me. You gotta say something.
Oh,
You're gonna sing that again.
being good. Banana leaf for the nap. Happy home after.
Good. Okay, give the camera a kiss. Oh, you're silly. You just like singing here, don't you? Let's say hi to Indy. Where's Indy? Indy cat. Where's his head? Can't tell which is which. Hey, you. Hi, Indy cat. Hi, Indy cat. Okay, Tia. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
4.
Okay, how about your ABCs? A. Can you say that one? You don't like your ABCs for some reason, do you? Those are boring. Oh well. Well, we'll say goodbye now. Give kisses?
No,
Right here.
no, Mama.
You don't want to go?
No.
You want to keep watching yourself, don't you?
Yes.
That's fun. Okay, well, let's talk about what you did yesterday. What'd you do at the park?
Bunny pet the bunny on the door.
You pet the bunny.
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Pet the cow.
Pet the cow?
Yes.
Yeah. What did the fireman give you? Do you remember? Did he give you... Do you remember? You and Toria both got one?
Yeah.
It was yellow. What was that?
Balloons.
A balloon? Yeah.
I like balloons.
You liked your balloon, didn't you? Who did we go with? Who did we go to the park with? Do you remember? Who did you go to the park with? Okay, you don't have to answer that. What else did we do at the park? Do you remember the train? What did the train do? Oh yeah, it banged your head, huh? No. Did you go on a big slide?
I did.
Yeah.
A tin student.
Who went on the big slide with you?
Doing making toy.
Meg and Toria? What about me? Didn't I go down the big slide with you?
Yes.
Yes. I thought so. Do you remember who came to visit us there? Who else came to the park?
Luke.
Luke?
Yeah.
No. Where was Luke? Luke was sleeping with Daddy, wasn't he? He was here sleeping. Okay. Why don't you give the camera a kiss right here? We're going to go bye-bye. Okay. Good. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh. Lucas, come here, buddy. Lucas. Lucas.
Cars.
Cars? Let's get Lucas to come here. Lucas. Lucas.
Lucas.
Come here, Lucas.
I could see.
See, honey, Daddy's just going to take a picture for a few minutes. So pretend he's not even there.
Pretend I'm not here.
Peace.
No, not Tia. Come here. Tia, can you take a look like you were doing? You're going to take a look?
I see.
Oh no, get down there and play with mine. Luke.
Is that the doll? Come here, Tia. Take a look at this. You want to take a look at this? Oh well. So much for that. She just sitting there watching?
Yeah.
Tia. All done. What? Take a nap. You want to go take a nap? Bye, Luke. You want to vacuum? You want to vacuum?
Too happy.
Too heavy?
Yeah.
It's too heavy for you, Luke. When he
Wow,
said
look at
so.
that. Oh, look there.
No, when he catches the ball, he falls here behind the line, so it doesn't
I don't
count.
think he fell behind the line. I don't think he did. But I think that would be a goal.
You would?
I think so. I'm not positive.
Are you taping?
What?
You taping?
Yes.
It's kind of boring to watch, isn't it?
No. There's 3 things I love in the world the most. TV. I can't.
There must be a beer up on the mantle I didn't see.
Mama, pick up.
She just tongued me. No. What did you do? You stuck your tongue in me. Silly kid, sticking your tongue in me. I'm gonna go give a Luke a kiss like that. Oops. Is it in here? Oh, poke it. Man, I heard it fall. Here it is. Gonna go give Luke a kiss like you just gave Mommy? Da da da. Do do. No, you don't want to, huh? No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No. And the word is no. No, 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 no. No laughing. No talking. No chewing.
No talking.
No talking.
No crying.
No crying.
No crying, cookies.
No crying, Lucas.
Nice foot.
Nice foot. No, picking the toes. Look at her.
Are you picking your toe? Are you sitting there picking your toes like Mama? Terry, look what you're teaching her.
Do something Daddy does.
Yeah.
Scratch your balls or something.
Apples.
Score, France!
Scored a goal! How come it doesn't show up right away? Now it does. Le bouffe. So yeah, take your feet off then.
Was it LaBeouf?
No, that guy right there.
What's his name?
I don't know.
What's the name for cake? Or word for cake?
Cake?
Yeah, LaBeouf cake. Hey Luke, you playing with a little ball there, bud? Yum, 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 yum. I think this would be a major upset if France won. Oh wow, there was a guy there. Apparently France's defense is supposed to be awesome.
Hi, Dana, Daddy.
Give me a kiss.
It's Hannah. Okay.
See if we can get Mom to flash us.
Yeah.
Come on, Mama.
What do you want me to flash you?
Up your skirt.
Yeah. Hanson, come here. Show Daddy your butt. Woohoo! Yo.
No, yes. No, Mommy, I'm really funny.
Okay, say goodbye.
Puppy.
Hi to the camera. Say hi. Okay, come here. Come here, Tia. We're gonna get in the car. Hi, Luke. Okay. You see Luke? What's Luke doing? What's Luke doing? Want to get up in your chair? Tia, doesn't he look different than he usually does? Hang on. Look at Lucas. What's he doing? Turn and look at him. Is he looking sitting up like you do? Oh, Luke's first day! Yay! This is Lucas's first day! And his car seat facing forward. Right, Tia? You excited? You're so excited! You're gonna bounce in your chair! What about you? What about you? You excited too? Alright.
Okay, feed him. Wow! Yum, 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 yum. Chew it up good, Luker boy. Is that good? Uh-oh. Is it all gone, honey?
No.
Is there a little bit left?
Yeah.
The floor is pretty clean. Go ahead, take a bite. Okay, come here, Mattia, and give the camera a kiss. Come here, give him a kiss.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4.
What was that outside? Did you hear it? What is that? Look up over there so Daddy can see you. There you go. Now what did you just hear outside?
Go free inside.
Go on the swing and the slide. Go.
Is it raining out there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Okay, now, say your French ABCs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woohoo! Okay, give the camera a kiss.
Bye. Over.
Oh my gosh, what a shot. Oh! Oh! Wow! Wow! What a shot. Okay,
Whoops. Oh, that wasn't very good. I was going to show you the hole, but...
take a bite.
Hi, Luke! He sees himself. Hi, Luke! Hi, Luke! You! Oh. Who's that? Is that Boop Boy? He's so cute, I can't stand it. Hi, Luke. Tia, how's the meat stick? Is it good? She's eating it, huh? Did you give Luke a taste, Daddy?
Good boy.
Come
15 grams? No. Yeah, 15 grams of fat.
Oh, Indy wants a piece of that action. Tia, watch.
Yeah, Mattia, don't do that.
Tia, watch Luke.
Indy, get out of there. Get.
Is he eating some?
on.
540 milligrams of sodium.
Oh, really? Okay, Tia, come here. Kiss the
You're
camera.
like a sailor. Some sailors eat these things.
Hi, Luke. Bye, Luke. Oh, I just can't turn it off. He's too cute. Well, see you later, Luke.
Hey, Indy, get out of there.
Daddy's taking a picture of what Luke's doing. He wants to see it. Okay,
I see.
turn to face mommy.
I see. I see.
Just
I see.
Tia. You want milk? You want milk?
No, I was careful. I was careful.
Hey, bud.
Yeah? Yeah. I want the apple.
You sure?
I want the apple. Apple.
You get the ball back to him, Mom?
Lucas. Lucas. 1, 2, 3.
Give it to him so he can throw it against the wall like he just was.
I see.
What are you doing?
How old is he? 10 months old?
Yeah.
Look at, oh! Hey, look, our boy! That was a good one.
Mommy, catch nuts. Catch him.
Hey, look, your boy!
Come on, pink or green?
Okay. I like purple. I like
Your hand. Tia, take your hand off there right now.
Can you throw it to the wall? Oh, good shot. Okay, Luker boy. Good shot, little Luker boy. Come here. Ready? Oh, good shot. Good. Oh. Get a little problems with the release. Oh! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. You want to play too? You gonna play too? Sit down, Mike.
A red apple?
You gonna get the ball?
No, she wants her apple.
Okay, will you give me the ball, Munch?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, Luke. Mom. Oh, here it comes. Oh, careful. Sit down. Good boy. Good shot.
What?
Uh-oh. Can you get it, bud?
Come here, too.
Throw it all away! Wow, good shot. Come on, bud. Yeah. Here, come sit over here. Good. Is that a good apple? Oh, I think he's gonna want a little nibble. All right. Hey, Mattia, come here. Mattia, you want to say goodbye to the camera? Come here, Munch.
Piece of cookie. Go say goodbye to the camera.
Hold on. Okay, now, kiss the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. Here, look, we have it.
Oh, don't hit him in the head, you goofus.
I want to. I want to.
You want to. Hey, Mattia. You guys having a good day? Did you have fun yesterday? Oh, look, boy, what are you doing? Don't touch anything there, honey. Please. Don't touch it, honey. Okay, go back to playing. Go back to playing.
No.
No, go back and play with Luke.
No, I don't want to. Want to? Come and nibble.
Okay, come here and give a kiss to the camera. Okay, now go play with Luke. Go on,
Bye.
go on. Bye-bye.
No, no, no.
Wave goodbye. Okay, now go play with Luke. Come on, go play with Luke. No, not yet. I just turned it on. Put that on the shelf, Terry. What is that, Terry? Just the chicken? That's just the chicken? Okay. Lookers, what are you doing, boy? Hey, Mattia, did you go on a trampoline yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Did you like going on the trampoline? like the trampoline?
Yeah. Funny.
It's kind of neat, wasn't it? Hey, Luke, are you eating something over there? Lucas! Luke! Luke! Luke, get that out of your mouth! No, don't chew on that. Take that away from him, Munch. Come here, boy. Come on, Luke, boy. Oh, don't cry. Luke! Come here, honey. Hey, look. You see the ball? Go get the ball. Go get it, honey. Go get that ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go on. He likes balls, doesn't he?
I want to see this. I want to see that.
You want to see?
It's your food.
Yeah.
In the ass.
Oh, bless you. Come here, boy. There's Mama.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mom.
Yeah, go ahead. Why don't you let me do it? Well, I don't want you to hurt yourself. He's right here.
Right, buddy? You need your shoes on. That's what you need. Turn the grass over.
Ooh, nice butt. Luker, boy. Okay, say goodbye.
Oh, hey, my Luke. I suppose my nasty tail. Nasty tail.
Don't eat the sand, Luke.
What are you doing there?
What am I doing there? I'm not doing anything. Luke, what are you doing there? Oh, look at Mattia. She's got sand coming out of her thing. Bird. Did you see a bird, Luke?
I don't see the bed.
Luke saw a bird. He was following it.
I don't see the bed no more.
You want to see the bird some more?
Oh, I don't see.
Be gentle. Hey, Mattia. Who's your favorite brother?
Where's Mama?
What?
Mama.
Who's your favorite brother?
Ma. Akapow.
Uncle Paul.
But Daddy, look.
Hey, can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, good. You want to sing the fish head song?
Yeah.
Go on, sing it.
No, that's 10.
You sing it.
No, Luke's 10.
Luke's gonna sing it.
No, that's 10. No, that's 10.
Dad's turn. No, Daddy doesn't know how to sing very good.
First head, boy, boy, fish. Yes, first head, boy, fish.
Eat them up, yum. They don't play.
This bowl.
They're not good.
Dancers.
They don't play.
This bowl.
They don't play
Down.
drums. You never see roly-poly fishes drinking cappuccino in Italian restaurants with Oriental women.
Oh. Fish. Daddy fishes.
Fish heads, roly-poly fish heads, fish heads, eat them up, yum. Yum, 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 yum. You putting sand on Luke, boy? Go on, Blitzen. Blitzen's going potty.
Hi, like Mama.
Yeah, like Mama.
Like Mama do it. Like Mama. Like Mama.
Yep.
Now Tia.
Yep.
Tia. Like Tia. Go puppy.
No, he went pee-pee.
You like pee-pee?
Yes.
You like pee-pee?
Luke went pee-pee. No. Blitzen went pee-pee.
Is it?
Blitzen.
Is it puppy? This person?
There she is.
I want to see this in pies.
Hey, Mattia, who's your favorite brother?
Uncle Paul.
Uncle Paul's your favorite brother?
Yeah.
No, he's Daddy's favorite brother.
Uncle Paul.
Yes.
That's Uncle Paul.
And who's your favorite daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah. Who's your favorite mama?
You boy. Daddy.
Yes. No.
Daddy.
Hi, Luke boy.
Daddy.
Is he a good little buddy boy? Yeah, you like him, don't you?
Hi. Daddy.
He's learning how to play and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Then up. Then on the oil.
Hey, what did you do yesterday? Did you go on a boat? You went on a boat. Big boat. Your first boat ride.
Yeah, it is Uncle Tommy.
With Daddy and Uncle Tommy and who?
Yes,
And Garrett? Yeah.
and the boy.
No, Luke boy didn't go. Mommy? Mommy kept him on shore. We gonna get a house on a lake someday?
Yeah, Sunday.
That was fun.
Yeah, on Sunday.
Lots of fun, man.
Oh no. No, mine, no, mine, no, mine. That's mine. I want to see your boy. I want to see your boy. Bleh. No, you see. In camera. Your boy. In camera. I want to see you in camera.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, camera. I want to see your boy.
Luke boy's climbing out. Hey, Luke. Luke.
Wait.
Wave, Luke. You want to kiss the camera?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Kiss.